Blood circulatory system consists blood vessels, heart and blood. Yesterday we already seen the composition of blood, that is the plasma and blood cells. Blood cells are of two types, RBC and WBC. WBC is mainly divided into two types. Actually, human body shows most important defense system or immune response due to presence of WBC. Mainly WBCs are divided into two types. WBCs are also called as leukocytes or colorless. These are white in color or colorless. WBC shows polymorphism. What is meant by polymorphism? Poly means many. Morphism means external structure. Shape and size is different, therefore polymorphism. Mainly divided into two types, granulocytes and agranulocytes. What is meant by granules? Granules, small molecules present inside the cell cytoplasm. These are called as granules. First three types consist granules and next two types does not consist granules. Therefore called as agranulocytes, and these are first three are called as granulocytes. Here granulocytes shows granules and agranulocytes does not show granules. Granulocytes divided into three types, eosinophil, basophil and neutrophil, depending upon the staining property. What is meant by stain? Stain means dye which can color the WBCs. Under microscope, we can differentiate these WBCs with the help of staining, and which stain that says that first stain, that is the eosinophil stained by basic stain. Acidic stain gives color to the eosinophil. Basophil stained with the help of basic stain, and neutrophil stained with the help of neutral stain. There are three types of stains or colors or dyes. First type acidic stain, second type basic stain, and third type neutral stain. The cells which are stained with acidic stain, that cells are called as acidophils or eosinophils. The cells which are stained with basic stain, these cells are called as basophil. Phils means philia or attraction or affinity. These are stained with basic stain, and neutrophil gets stained with neutral stain. Eosinophils shows granules in the cytoplasm and nucleus is bilobular. What is meant by bi? Bi means two. There are two lobes are there, therefore called as bilobular nucleus. In the basophils, twisted nucleus is there. Nucleus is twisted. Last bench. And in the neutrophil, many lobed nucleus is there. Many lobes are present in the nucleus. Therefore, in neutrophil, nucleus is many lobed. In basophil, twisted nucleus, and in acidophil or eosinophil, bilobed nucleus is there. This is the comparative difference between the eosinophil, basophil and neutrophil. What is the function of eosinophil? First most important function of eosinophil is detoxification by producing antitoxins. Detoxification of our body. Then next, what is the function of basophil? The main function of basophil is secrete heparin and histamine and serotonin. What is the function of heparin? Heparin acts as anticoagulant. That means inside our body, blood does not get clot. Coagulation does not occur. Due to which chemical? Heparin, which is produced by which cell? Basophils. And main function of neutrophil is destroy pathogens. Any types of pathogen, bacteria and other disease causing pathogens are destroyed by the neutrophils and process of phagocytosis. By the process of phagocytosis, what is meant by phagocytosis? Neutrophil, when any pathogen coming in contact with this WBC, neutrophil WBC, this neutrophil WBC engulfs that pathogen, that is called as phagocytosis. That is called as phagocytosis. गिलंकृत करणे आणि नष्ट करणे रोगजंतूंना. First three types of granulocytes, eosinophil, basophil and neutrophil. The next type of WBC are granulocytes. That means these cells does not consist granules in their cytoplasm. First, largest WBC, that is monocyte. It consists kidney shaped nucleus, large kidney shaped nucleus, and near about 5% of the total WBC. phagocytosis. Next, WBC, that is the lymphocyte. It is the smallest WBC. It does not consist granules, as well as it plays important role in the immune response by producing antibodies. What is the percentage of lymphocytes? 25% of the total WBC. Main function is production of antibodies. When antibodies are produced inside our body, when any disease causing pathogen enters into our body, then what happens? Antibodies are produced. By which cell? Yes, lymphocyte. Lymphocyte plays important role in producing beta cell, helper T cell, killer T cell, T lymphocyte, T4 lymphocyte. T4 lymphocytes are mainly affected by the HIV virus. When T4 lymphocytes are destroyed, at that time our immune system gets suppressed or hampered, and body becomes vulnerable to many diseases. Here, granulocytes, that is first eosinophil. In the eosinophil, very few granules are there, stained with acidic stain. 1 to 3% of the total WBC, bilobed nucleus, and what is the function? Detoxification by producing antitoxin. Then next is basophil, stained with basic stain, total number 0.5 to 1% of the total WBC, and what is the function? Secrete heparin, histamine, and serotonin. Next, last type of granulocyte, that is the neutrophil, stained with neutral stain, 70% of the total WBC, and function destroy pathogens and by the process of phagocytosis. What is the function of monocytes? Monocytes, the number of monocytes increased in the some ill conditions like cancer. Here, monocytes shows how many percent? 5% of the total WBC, and main function is phagocytosis. And lymphocyte percent, 25% of the total WBC, and main function is production of antibodies. Production of antibodies. Yes, we say lymphocytes. Lymphocyte, always remember, asked for NEET and CET. This is all about the WBC or lymphocytes or white blood cells, granulocytes or granulocytes, eosinophil, basophil, neutrophil, monocyte, lymphocyte. Function, percentage. Is it clear to you? Very simple.